people running around, searching for high ground, hustling around town to turn their lives around, fighting a losing battle, living in pain and struggle, getting caught up in hurdles and puddles. But my trust is in Jehovah, my Father and my Maker. Everything that I need, He gave me everything on a platter. Yeah, my trust is in Jehovah, my Father and Creator. You are all that I need, and you are everything in between. Oh, you are all that I require, omnipotent Father, Abba like no other, closer than a brother, always on my mind. Never sleep, you never slumber. When I call you, you answer. Oh, you are all that I require, omnipotent Father, Abba like no other, closer than a brother, always on my mind. Never sleep, you never slumber. When I call you, you answer. All that I require, all that I require, and all of my desires. Anything I need or want, I know I can come to you in prayer. I know you will answer, Father like no other. Some trust in horses and chariots, but not them, no. Cause my trust is in Jehovah, my Father and my Maker. Everything that I need, He gave me everything on a platter. Yeah, my trust is in Jehovah, my Father and Creator. You are all that I need, and you are everything in between. Oh, you are all that I require, omnipotent Father, Abba like no other, closer than a brother, always on my mind. Never sleep, you never slumber. When I call you, you answer. Oh, you are all that I require, omnipotent Father, Abba like no other, closer than a brother, always on my mind. Never sleep, you never slumber. When I call you, you answer. All that I require, always and forever, you're with me, with me. One time, let's go. Yeah, 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 yeah. King of the universe has beautified my life. Yeah, yeah. King of the universe has beautified my life. Yeah. You make everything brand new, Daddy. No longer bound, you make me free. Now your grace and mercy, I did see on a daily. Showers of blessings for me. Joy for the morning. Beautiful ashes, you changed my whole story. Now I sing your praises, King of glory. I'll let the whole world know what you have done for me, what you have done for me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My beautifier has beautified my life, taking away the pain, taking away the shame. My beautifier has beautified my life, giving me a new name. Yeah. It is you working inside me, pulling my heartstrings. Beautifier, beautifier. For your glory you have made me, for all the world to see. Beautifier, beautifier. Joy for the morning. Beautiful ashes, you changed my whole story. Now I sing your praises, King of glory. I'll let the whole world know what you have done for me, what you have done for me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My beautifier has beautified my life, taking away the pain, taking away the shame. My beautifier has beautified my life, giving me
Yo, what's up, chat? Good morning. Happy Thursday, everybody. If you guys can drop some energies in the chat, I need to see energies today. Let's go. Energies in the chat.
Those that wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. I will wait on, I will wait on. I will keep my eyes glued, I will not turn from you. I will wait on, I will wait on. Hallelujah, yeah, praise you forever. Hallelujah, yeah, everlasting Father. Hallelujah, yeah, your reign is forever. I will praise you forever, my King, my King, my King, forever, my King.
What's up, John? What's up, Sing? What's up, Don? How you doing? Hope we win today, man. Let's go. Win or lose, we gonna win, bro. Win or lose, we gonna win, man. Win, win. What's up, Reese? How you doing? Good morning. Let's see who's here. Drop some energies in the chat, gang. Let's go. Drop the energy. Energy is your currency. Let's go, man.
Forever, my King, my King, my King, forever, my King.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers. When they don't give a damn about my kids. Since you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica, and my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today, and why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push to still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S.
All right, gang. How you guys doing? Good morning. What's up? Win or lose not the coach. Let's go. We gonna we gonna win today, gang. Let's go, man. We gonna win, man. Every day we gonna win. Every day in terms of life, man. Every day we're winning. You know, it's not just all about trading. Trading wins, trading lose. In life, we're winning. As long as we're eating 3 times a day, as long as we're healthy, we're good, man. We're winning, right? So yeah. That's all matter. What matters for me is my family. Matters for me is my body. Money is a byproduct, bro. That you need to be disciplined and money will always come, money will always follow once you are disciplined, right? So yeah, man, let's lactine today. We're gonna do some lactine today. Lactine. All right, we're moving up here. We are moving up. Man, the FOMC yesterday, I saw too many people has been clapped yesterday, I believe. Right? Too many people gonna be clapped. They're probably how many pip? Ooh, 600 pip going up and going down yesterday night. Damn. The candle went crazy. True that. Yes, the candle went crazy. As you can see here, too many people has been clapping, buying and selling. Man, that's why if you guys are not familiar with FOMC, so FOMC is crazy. I mean, this news is you don't need to trade, you don't need to you don't need to stress yourself because there is a lot of volume here, but you're gonna think like if you're gonna trade at FOMC, you're gonna ask yourself, there is any high probability setup on this scenario? No, right? Because it's news. You don't need to you don't need to trade this news, right? So yeah, man. I believe there is a lot of volume today, and it's FOMC post news, and we have news later on tonight. We have unemployment claims, so a lot of news on GBP. So yeah, man, it's gonna be interesting day today and tomorrow. Yeah. So let me do the top down analysis here. Let me do top down here. All right. Okay. Chat may sounds good. The music is good. The music is fine. You guys can hear the music. Let me know because I lowered the volume. Let me know in the chat if you guys can hear the music still. All right, good. So yeah, let's do the top down today. Yeah, we expect this yesterday, right? We expect that if this candle close, bearish, now you have resistance form. Okay, and I expect that there is a lot of volume today because it's FOMC post news. So we move already how many pip? 300 plus pip, I believe. Yeah, 380 pip move. And we're re-breaking the previous candle low, and then we react on the minor support level here on price. And I believe because the weekly candle I saw this flip bearish, but re-break the previous candle low. I mean the current candle on the weekly time frame, right? But the monthly time frame is still bullish. Okay, we still have 12 days and 14 hours left for this candle to close, so I'm not gonna touch that yet. So I have resistance here on price, and we got support here. Okay, and we know that we re-break the previous candle low here. There is a lot of chance that we can push down even further today to retest this low, probably. Right? And then the next day, there is a high chance to retest this because it's all about clean traffic. It's all about correction moves, right? Corrections, they need some price point. We need to correct the moves. Okay, right now, if we're gonna drop down to the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we have some consolidation here on price. This one is consolidating, and we have volume, resistance form, support form here, volume came, push down, break out, and then come back in the range. FOMC. Now we have closure support again, and as you can see here right now, resistance. Okay, let's say resistance up here, and then we have levels that created here on price. And we have support now, right? Support is there. And the next candle closed below the support, closed below the range, re-break the previous candle or retesting. We still have 1 hour and 10 minutes for this candle to close, right? And for me, in the lower time frame, it's all bearish confirmation. Why? If you're gonna drop down to the 1 hour time frame, the 1 hour creating market structure, you have a high there, the low, the high, the low, the high been made, the all-time high again, low, high, low. As you can see how the candle respect the high, how the candles respect the low. So that's how you read market structure, price action, right? And the 30 minutes time frame, as you can see, we're heading to the top side. It's okay. Probably we're retesting the resistance, okay? So the resistance has been made here on price on the 30 minutes time frame. Um, you have resistance here, but I cannot take sell because there's no range for me, because if we want to take sell on a resistance, I want to see this confirmation. Like we move up, this is the confirmation, and then we move down, and then now once we tap again the resistance, now we can take a sell. It's all about ranges, right? Now there's no range, there's no consolidate. I'm not saying consolidate range, the clean traffic going up and clean traffic going down. That's what I mean. So right now, this one is creating a structure. Now we need to see if we're gonna push down. But we can take a sell here in the lower time frame, 15 minutes time frame. Once this candle close bearish after re-breaking the high. So that's good. Once this candle close bearish, I probably gonna take sell because I have clean traffic going down here. And I know that in the lower time frame, we still bearish on price. All right, so now I'm gonna mark this as my resistance. Okay, this is my resistance right now. Okay, resistance. We close above probably the range, but it's okay. We cannot take buys right now because we move a lot. We move, let's say, we move 200 pip range. So yeah, now we need to wait for market structure again. But any close back in the range with a good body closure, we're taking sell going down. All right, gang. So yeah, if you have any questions on the top-down analysis today, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Andre, what's up? How you doing? Good morning, buddy. Gang, make sure you like the stream here. Like the stream and subs to the channel too. All right, we good, cheat. We good. We good, gang. Dun, 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 dun. 1 hour is pushing up here. The 1 hour is pushing up crazy. Wow. 4 hours coming up too. Damn. Daily's flipping again. Crazy. All right, now it's waiting time. This is good. Re-breaking the high. That was good. Now we need to wait for this candle to close bearish. Back in the range. That would be nice. Like this. Mm. Six minutes for candle to close. Can we close bearish back in the range? And by the way, gang, I didn't take any trades yesterday on the NY. I just, take the 45 pip loss, 42 pip loss yesterday and then call it a day. No need to chase anything back on the day. So, yeah. We don't need to chase things. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Oh, 1 hour is about to close here. Okay, nice. Nice. Can we close bearish here? This is gonna be nice. 35 pip stops. Wow. We need to see this closure. At least. Like that. This is gonna be nice. In 3 minutes. Closure in 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Toodoo-toodoo. All right, gang. We might have some potential sells today. Potential sells. 2 minutes for candle to close. It's gonna be interesting today. We need to see top wick, and then once you're re-breaking the lows, are we gonna melt further? I hope. I hope gonna melt today. What do you think, chat? Gonna melt today or gonna push up? What do you think? Melt or push up? Okay. And we have advantage, 200 pip advantage here. If we get the closure, yep. In 1 minute and 30 seconds here, we need to see that closure. Otherwise, we're gonna wait for the next 15. How the 15 close? Dun, 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 dun. 1 minute. I think it will continue bearish today. Yeah, I hope. I hope that we're gonna, if this candle close bearish back in the range and then we took a trade, I hope we're gonna melt. I like to melt here. I like I want to see this kind of move, in just 5 minutes. All right, no closure in 30 seconds now. We're going to wait for the next candle. There is some scenario that happened. For example, this candle closed bullish like this, and then the next candle, man, drive even further here without us, right? Without us. Sometimes happen, but it's okay. All right, no closure, gang. Now we're gonna wait for the next candle to close again. Right, man. Volume. Right now, it's really risky to trade an impulse trade because we closing above the range. That was, a little bit tough. Closing above. But the 30 minutes candle here is overextend already. So for me, there's no confirmation that we're gonna push even further because we move a lot on the 1 hour time frame. But yeah, it's open of 1 hour time frame, but the 30 is overextend here. We feel the range already here on price. So there's no chance that if we can push up here. Damn. Once you re-break this low, man, we will see some move going down here. Heavy. I'll be like this. In 13 minutes and 44 seconds. Oh, you can hear me? Why? Why, bro? Check your volume and check your volume. Volume on your mobile, volume on your laptop, computer. Check it. 12 minutes for candle to close. Check. All right. 12 minutes, gang. 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Shout out to 16 viewers right now. If you guys have any questions in your mind, let me know. You can drop it in the chat. We are re-breaking the lows here, gang. We are re-breaking the lows. Once we re-break, we see some move on the 5 minutes. Oh damn, 1 minute is consolidating here. Holy. Look at that. Can you look at that? Who's trading 1 minute time frame here? One minute time frame. Damn. Oh, you watch it for entry. Okay. So when I was, beginner and trading, I always entering on the 1 minute, but right now not anymore. Oh, we're re-breaking the previous candle low now. And we see some volume. We're gonna see some volume. Damn. I don't wanna take an impulse entry here right now. It's really risky for me. It's really risky. But the advantage here is the 1 hour is still open. Can can push at least here to create a bottom wick for price to move up. It's gonna look like this. I need to wait for this candle to close now. If this 15 stay on this range, yeah, we might have some trade. But we want to see this 15 stay in this range. That's it. Hover around there and then wait for the next 15 top wick, flip, move down. So this is gonna be a tradable candle. Eight minutes for candle to close. Right now, I would say there is no directions yet on price, but we know that we're bullish. But as you can see, if you're gonna look here, no directions yet because we move up. Now we're moving down again. We're trying to move down. Yeah. Damn. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. 17 pips for the impulse entry there. Nice. Oh. One hour bottom wick. 1 hour bottom wick. Damn, we moved down already. 5 minutes for candle to close. 5 minutes. One minute price action is practically irrelevant. 1 minute. Man, the thing in 1 minute here is not consistent. The thing is not consistent. I just don't wanna look at 1 minute, and I just don't wanna enter in the 1 minute time frame. 4 minutes, gang. 4 minutes, man. We move a lot already. 30 is still open. 30 can push down here. Re-break this. The 1 hour can push down too, because the one is overextend. And if you want to push up here, you need to create a bottom wick. At least 3, 6, 4, 8, and then move up if you want this 1 hour candle. If we want to move up. But if this candle don't want to move up, there's a high chance that we're going to continue move down. That's the 4 hour flip bearish again. This 4 hour is on decision right now. 3 minutes for candle to close. We need to see bottom wick and top wick probably. Then flip like this. In this case, once we see a top wick here, once we see top wick topping this area, we can take on a weak entry here, because we know that the 1 hour is still open, the 30 is still open, and we can probably put the stop up here, so we can minimize the loss. So yeah, let's see. Weak entry is nice too, but let's see, because we have a lot of volume here. Candles are moving, a lot of volume in 2 minutes. 2 minutes, gang. 2 minutes. Will you be lowering risk due to range? So right now, once we tap, once we close bearish like this, right? You have bottom wick. Now I'm gonna look for weak entry sells up here, right? So if the candles top this wick on the left or top this 3658, I'm gonna look for sells there. But my stops are gonna be up here only. So 30, 35 pip stops roughly to move down. All right, gang, locked in here. Weak entry sells probably, but we need to see top wick. At least this 3657 or 3658 top, and then entries there probably. Locked in here, gang. Locked in here. Wick entries. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, moved down already, huh? That was plus. Oh no, not yet. All right, gang. There you go. Can you push up a little bit? Can you top 3657 now? Before flipping down. 3657, it's good. Damn. And we move down now. It's okay. This is the top wick already. 8 pips top wick. Cool. So the thing here, that's why I don't want to take a trade like off the rip, like taking trade once the candle close. I don't want to take because there is a high chance that we can move up here to like fake out, right? That's why I need to see top wick at least this area 3657, and then once we see some reactions there, yeah, we're probably gonna take sells. Right now it's really risky for me to take sells off the rip because the stop's gonna be wide 50 pip stops here, and I have options that we can take sells on the flip of the candle, but we need at least steeper top wick here. Once you do like here, if this candle move up here and then start to hover around and then start to flip, yeah, we're probably gonna take sells there on the flip of the candle to move down like this. If this candle didn't top 3657, so right now, man, no buenos for me yet. We're gonna wait here. We are gonna wait here. So reactions on 3653. Gonna wait for some price move. Can you re-break the high? Not yet. Didn't re-break the high. Yeah. Let's see on 3657 here. If we can tap the onion evening star formation or reversal formation. Onion, I would say because the 15 move a lot already, bro. All right. So the 15, as you can see, we move 57 pip. So I didn't expect this move on the 15. I'm just wanna wait for the candle like close probably like this, some price. Because on the 15, it's kind of overextend now on this 15. That's why I'm looking for sells on the week entries 3657 because I know this 15 is gonna be overextend. So probably gonna look for sells around this price. So on the onion, you always look for this candle to close. Like we have closure above and then come back the range. This is gonna be nice, right? To onion to play like this. You have a bullish candle plus indecision candle doji plus no. So an onion is valid. For example, we're moving up. So this is gonna be the scenario, right? We're moving up here on price. Okay, we're moving up here, and then one candle is re-breaking the high there. This is good for onion play on the next 15 or 30 minutes candle to form. Right, like this. You need to see the re-break of the high there for this candle to close move down. This is gonna be the onion. So um some of the trader, they just use onion if they're good on this, even though they didn't re-break the high. This is good for them, right? But for me, I want to see, like, I can trade this even though there's no re-breaking on the previous candle high there. It's okay, but for me, it's other confirmations, adding confirmations that, oh, I know it's gonna move down because you re-break the high, you fail to move, and then right now, we close bearish back in the range, or we close bearish with a good body. I'm still good, you know. I'm still good to take a trade on the next 30 and 15 minutes candle move down. So yeah, that's gonna be the idea on the onion. The red candle should re-break the high with the wick but close below the wick of the candle green candle. Yeah, you can use for me, like what I've said, it's okay, okay? It's okay if the candles didn't re-break the high, as long as you have good body candle closure. It's gonna be good body candle closure for onion to play like this. Makes sense? So yeah. Let's see now. Let's see. And we didn't top the 3657 that I want to see if we're going to top that and some reactions. But 7 minutes per candle to close. Probably 30 minutes onion here. 30 minutes onion will play. Let's see here. Thank you. No problem. You're welcome. Shout out to 25 viewers right now. If you guys can like the stream, subs to the channel. And if you want to follow me on IG, you can follow me for more trading content. I always live every single day, Monday through Friday on the London session. So if you have any questions in your mind right now, you can drop it in the chat. 7 minutes for candle to close. Yeah, 30 minutes will play out probably. Let's see. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So now, as you can see, as we speak, right? As we speak, as you can see, the candles are forming like this. And the 30 is about to close in 6 minutes, but you didn't re-break the high. It's okay. As long as you have good body candle closure. As you can see, we have good body candle closure. Now we're going to expect a top wick. Once we create a top wick, we're probably going to enter on the wick entry or flip of the candle. Right, like this. We can enter here, we can enter here, we can enter on the re-break of the low. 2-3 entries, entry point. Now you're gonna choose which one. Okay, so yeah, let's see. So on the week entries, it's gonna be a little bit tricky because you need to wait for the candles to top the price and start to hover around here, like 3657 top, start to hover around, and then once the candle reacted there, you're gonna take a trade and probably gonna move down even further. So yeah, that's the idea, that's the plan. So the trade, the plan needs to trade. Plan the trade, trade the plan. Five minutes for candle to close. Do you use 50% of the previous candle as a point of control? What do you mean point of control, bro? What do you mean point of control? Those terms, I don't have any idea what's that. 50% or point of I don't have any idea on what's that. But for me, I use price actions, I use candles to trade. That's it. I don't need any other term. I don't need any other term or word of of I can use. No. I use support resistance, price actions, market structure, trend. That's it. But other term, I don't have any idea. 4 minutes for candle to close. 15 is gonna close bullish. Yep. But I have a trust with the 1 hour time frame. Once we re-break this previous current candle low, should move down here at least 50 pips more. Till here. 3648. And then close bearish probably. 3657 is exactly 50% of the previous 15-minute candle. What do you mean 15%? 15. Oh, I don't get it. I don't use that term. So bro, I don't use any strategy. I use only price actions, okay? So yeah, I don't use the other term. 30 minutes. Can we close? Then we have wick here. Can we close like this? I want to see like this. All right, 1 minute and 40 seconds. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Do we close? Bearish. Bearish. Can we close bearish? Can we close bearish? 1 minute, gang. 1 minute. Okay, if you take Fibo to the last close 15 candles, I'm not using Fibonacci, bro. I don't use Fibonacci. I read candles. I know how to read candles. And I know how to read you too. I can read you, bro. I can read candles. I can read you. Oh, just kidding, man. 15 is closing bullish, re-breaking the previous candle low. Damn, we probably gonna start to hover around consolidate here. 30 minutes open. Didn't create a top wick. Let's see if we're gonna move down now. Let's see if we're gonna move down. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Shout out to 28 viewers right now. If you guys can like the stream, subs to the channel, that would be appreciated. Gold, what you wanna do today? Huh? What you wanna do? What you wanna do? What you wanna do? What you wanna do? What we're gonna do is we're gonna wait, sit with our hands in waiting here. We're gonna wait, we're gonna wait, we're gonna wait. No buenos yet, gang. No buenos yet. Let's see how many people it's gonna be patience today. How many people gonna stay in the stream being patient to wait for the right setup to come? Let's see. Gang, is trading, okay? Trading is not all about making money, okay? It's all about how you be patient waiting for your right setup to come and trade that setup. Following your plan, following the playbook that you have, okay? It's not all about making money, it's all about long term. If you're gonna look for longevity, trading is gonna be long term. Your mind, you should feed your mind with a good habit every single day. Following patience, because if you're not following your rules, if you're not following the plan that you have, man, really hard. It's really hard because it's all about practice every single day. Showing up every single day, practice your patience, practice the discipline, keep calm when you're trading. Practice to scale up, you know. It's not all about back testing every single day. It's not all about that. It's not all about simulations every week, every day. No, it's all about how you following your plan. If your strategy is really working, why you're gonna look for another strategy, right? Just stick to one strategy, follow that, execute that every single day, man. You're gonna be good. Win or lose, yeah. Right now, as you can see, I have we losing streak here. I have 190 plus 42 pip loss. It's okay for me. I would say September is gonna be I'm negative 60 pip on this September, but it's okay. I have following. I have previous month that I'm up, right? I'm up. It's okay. I still showing up every single day. Reset my mind 0 0, right? If you're taking loss every single day, man, or week or month, man, reset. Always reset your mind with 0 0 so you can perform better. Look at the perspective, like if you are an athlete, right? You need to rest to reset your mind. 0 0, come back tomorrow. 0 0. Now you can perform better, right? Trading is the same thing. And you don't need to rush things. You don't need to rush the process. Some of the trader, they rush the process. They want to be profitable quick like this. Boom, I want to be profitable quick, but they doesn't know anything. They doesn't know any better, right? The truth is, the less you do, the better, right? Because right now, we have some confirmation scandal that we're gonna move down. We move down, this scandal we move down, but we're not gonna take trades because it's not part of our plan yet, right? We're waiting for the candle to close, but it closed bearish, but right now it's overextend. That's why I didn't take any sells, right? The 30 minutes looks good. We have an onion here, but I don't want to take sells right now because um we have 15 minutes candle close bullish, right? That's how you anticipate the market, where the market gonna move. So yeah. I just realized I've been trading for you. Oh wow, congrats, man. Congrats, you're still here. Some of the people doesn't see result in 1 year, 2 years, they quit. But for the people right now that trading 1 2 years, man, congratulations to I'm trading for 2 years now. But I'm trading in 2 years. I'm still here. I'm still here, showing up. But on the stream, I'm on my 8 months, 9 months now on the stream. And yeah, I mean, streaming, it's been part of my life right now because, it's really good, right? Sharing values every single day, sharing my wisdom every single day is really good. You know, I've been practicing myself, my thoughts, right? Sharing with you guys. And yeah, right now it's really good. I hope, next year, man, next year is gonna be it's gonna be a movie. It's gonna be movie to me, it's gonna be movie to you. But because next year I have too many plans that probably I can trade with you guys. I can show how to pass a funded account, how to scale up a little bit like that. But right now I'm preparing myself to show to probably next year to show you how to trade, how to pass the funded account. All right, so yeah, man. But congrats to each and everyone right now that watching this live stream. If you're still trading, man, good job. Just keep going. There is always um a light, right? There's always a light. If you're in the tunnel, there's always a light if you go outside the tunnel. So keep going, man. Keep going, chat. See that? That's why I don't want to take sells here on the 3658 because I know that we have bullish momentum. So, man, I don't want to take sells. The body is not look good too. The 30, as you can see. I'm expecting this body closure on the 30, but didn't happen. It's okay. I'm still here, chat. I'm still here. No problem. We're probably still gonna hand the trades here. Now we re-break. This one is really nice because we create some structure here. Candle close below is really good to full take sell. So as you can see, there's no break of structure yet. Okay, there's no break of structure yet. This is not a structure. This is not structure. This is the structure here. You're always gonna look on the high of the structure. So once you break the structure there, yeah, there is a high chance that we can move up and do the all-time high again. Probably, but this is not a structure. Structure should be high there. Because this is the higher time frame structure. 1 hour structure is really good, really clean going up to 4 hour here. So yeah, let's see here, man. We're pushing up here, crazy. Pushing up, crazy. No buenos. You don't like to go back to all-time high. We're still in the all-time high here, but all-time high is 367, man. Crazy, man. 3707. 4 hour. The 4 hour is about to close. 18 minutes. The 1 hour to. If you are a supply and demand trader, you're gonna wait to top this price in to take a sell, probably. This is the levels that needs to react and, you know, reaction zone on the price if you are supply and demand trader. There's a lot of people, once the candle top here, they're gonna enter a sell. But for me, not yet. I need more confirmations. Right now, we cannot take sells because structure has been made. Now we're gonna move down. We need to move down, and then once you retest there, there's gonna be an entry point to take a sell to move down. This is gonna be an entry point, or this is gonna be the entry point to take buy. To take buy. I know how to do the supply and demand, but I'm not using it. It's different strategy. I don't want to use that. I'm not, more familiar on supply and demand. I use more price actions, candles behavior, candles reading candles. So yeah. Mm-hmm. By the way, I'm gonna ask you right now, who's up? You start trading last January till now September. Are you guys making profit, or are you guys on the break even, or are you guys on the losing pace? Drop it in the chat. Up 2,970. Chat, you guys are up? Or you guys on break even? Are you guys on losing this year overall? Like from January to this. Oh, I'm losing. Okay, nice. It's okay, sing. You can sing. It's okay, sing. You can sing. No profit. Blowing challenges past the first phase 3 times so far. It's okay, bro. It's okay, man. I've been to that process too. On which broker? Any broker. Joseph losing. John break even. Yeah, nice break even. For me, I made some profit, but not much because I'm focusing more on funded account. I'm focusing more on passing a funded account. So I'd say yeah, I made enough this year, but it's okay. As long as I can pay my bills, I can pay my rent, car bills, phone bills, anything, food, whatever. As long as I can pay that, man, on coming from trading, I'm good. I'm not chasing more millions. I'm not chasing Lamborghini right now. I'm not chasing good cars, good watch, clothing brand, whatever, man. I know I'm gonna be there. I know I'm gonna be there. I'm just gonna show up every single day, do the things, be patient, and everyone's gonna be there. You just need it just matter of time, right? Just a matter of time. You're gonna be there. Yeah. As long as we're breathing, yeah. As long as we're eating 3 times a day, paying the bills, we are good. I'm not working, bro. I'm not working. I can handle my time every single day. After this, I can hit the gym, do whatever I want. I'm good, bro. I'm not into 9 to 5 job. And for the people that is out of 9 to 5 job, man, congratulations everyone, you know. But if you're working still, and congratulations too because you're trading. True, patience act only as per plan as your masterpiece. True that. True that. If you're gonna explore, like, gonna explore on the different trader, some of the trader they become profitable trader after 5 years, after 10 years of blowing money, blowing account, right? They become profitable after 5 years, after 10 years. And in 1 month, they made millions, bro. They made millions. In 1 year, they made millions, right? It's a matter of time. It's a matter how you master your piece, how you master yourself. Because in the end of the day, no one can figure it out for you. It's you versus you here. Okay, you versus you. I cannot figure out your own strategy. I cannot figure out your own psychology. Only you can figure out things, right? Only you can figure out things. No one can figure out. Only you. I have been on funded challenge for months, having blown it, but haven't passed it yet, either due to break-even pace, but it will work out sooner or later. Yeah, you know the risk. I know you. You've been my students for like 9 months or how many months right now. I know you're doing good. You're doing great. You're following your plan. You're good. It's hard work, not luck. Yeah. It's I hear and I saw some thoughts about hard work and luck. Some of the people they they went through hard work and then they made it and then they call it, oh, you're lucky because like this you have like this, man. They don't know the definition of luck. You need to hard work. You need to do hard things. Mostly after 3 years could earn consistent profit. It depends. It depends. It depends. For me, it depends. It took me 1.5 year to pass to become a funded trader. Um, took me 1.5 year to pass my 100K account, and then it goes to 200K. It goes to 300K, and I blew the 200K account. Right, but it's okay. It's okay. It's part of journey. It's part of a game. The opportunity meets preparations. True that. Nice. See that? Too many values today, huh, gang? Too many values, too many wisdom today. Trading it doesn't matter. We don't need to take trades. We need values. We need wisdom. Trading is just there. Trading, get out of it. We need words right now. We need wisdom here, chat. But really nice, right? Talking like this, speaking about values, speaking about hard work, man. It's really good. It's really, you know, um, give me goosebump because in any case, every single day we need to hear some values, right? For me, um, after like for example, after the stream, I'm always um, listening to the podcast. I'm always listening to the successful people because I need to hear something better. I need to learn from them. I need to learn like how they act, how they do, what they do. I need to learn from them, man. Because if you're not gonna, it's not all about copying people. It's all about duplicating them. It's all about how you gonna duplicate the people that's been successful for long term already, long time already. Thanks, bro. Salute. We got you into trading. What got you into trading? What got me into trading, yo? Yeah. So we have a mentor, right? We have a mentor. He's Mentor Flex. He's a trader for too many years now. I believe 15 years now. Yeah. So he introduced us into trading, and on my on my first month of trading, I don't want to trade. I don't want to trade. I don't want to trade because it's really hard. I know it's really hard, but you can make money. But I just fall in love with the process. I just fall in love with trading. That's why I'm still here. It's all about falling in love with things. It's all about falling in love on how you build better. Because if you see this, trading will give you wisdom. Sorry, trading will give you freedom. Stick into trading, right? Just be patient, learn the process, learn the things, and you're gonna be there. You're gonna be a good trader. You're gonna be uh patience. You have a patience, discipline, following the plan. It's all about that. Funded account is if blown, how the company go, how the system work. I don't know how they work. So technically, if you are taking funded account in different prop firm, they gonna make money once you blow an account, right? So technically, they gonna make money to you. They gonna make money to me because I'm buying a funded account. So that's their money. Okay, so they're making money to the people that they cannot pass the account. I know that's how it works. So right now you can right now you can think that how the prop firm company make money, how the prop firm company still stand on their business. So technically, too many traders has been blowing an account, has been spending money, buying a funded account, blowing it, and that's it. Have tried any other methods or only sticking to price action only? I stick only price actions. When I start trading, yeah, I've learned support resistance, but I don't have any mentors that time. I don't have any mentor to learn the strategy, and I found Don, and I stumbled upon Raja too. So I stick to Raja and yeah, watch his video, watch his course, and yeah, learn the strategy from there. I stick it. You need to stick it, and be consistent. Consistency matters. 30 minutes is about to close. We're going up in the range on the 15. 15 close, no top wick. Okay. Okay. 4 hours about to close too. If this candle, no top wick. Man, this is gonna be a little bit tricky here. How long into trading before you stop working? Um After my 6 months, because I'm a I'm a dancer. I'm a performer here in Dubai. I'm a dance teacher too. After 6 months of trading, I stopped teaching, I stopped performing, and I focus more on trading. How you build your confidence to take big lot size and not afraid to draw down, bro? It's all about practice. It's all about practice. It's the same thing. If you're gonna buy a 10,000 funded account right now, how much you are willing to lose per trade? So for me, should be 1 to up 3%, right? If so, it's the same thing with 100K. It's the same thing with 200K. The same, because right now you're gonna be confused because, for example, you're taking a funded account like 10K and you're gonna jump into 100K. You're just gonna be confused on the numbers on the screen, but it's the same on how you're gonna risk per trade. It's the same thing. You're just gonna be confused on the numbers because you will see, oh, it's drawdown 500 right now, it's drawdown 1K right now, what I'm gonna do. But the small account is just drawdown for $20, $30, $50. It's the same risk. On the small account, your mind needs to practice, okay? It's all about practice. Your mind needs to practice. It's all about risking the percentage wise, right? Don't mind the numbers because you're gonna see big numbers there, man. What lot size do you recommend for 500 account? Should be 0.03, 0.02, it's fine. 0.05 is the maximum. That's $500. But for me, I'm always advise, if the people ask me how much like the capital should I put in the trading app, should be 1K and above. So you can learn how to close partials. So you can learn how to risk there too. 1K, yeah. 1K should be fine. Or go to a broker that has like a credit bonus like Vantage. If you want to use our broker, we have Errante. We're giving 100% bonus on the first deposit. So if you deposit 500, they'll add a new 500 account, but that's 500 you can now withdraw. It's just all about a bonus credit. You can trade that bonus credit, but you can now withdraw. All right, the 4 hour about to close. No top wick here, gang. No top wick again. Damn. So this is gonna be the 1 hour bottom wick. See that 50 pips bottom wick? Cool. No top wick for our closure. Damn, bro. The daily is flipping bullish again. Okay.
If you don't want me, I'll just deem you gay.
This is the problem with gold. I've seen in a lot of things on gold. starting to rally crazy. As you can see, we're just rallying towards to the upside right now. Is this area considered one supply in 1 hour? Yeah. Yep. Yep. This one is the supply already. Man, my dog is. Give me a second, chat. So yeah, you guys are, if you are supply and demand, we are in the supplier area right now, I would say. So, but it's really risky for me to take sell here. I'm not using supply and demand. I use price actions. So let's see here how this candle close, right? Want to see this candle close bearish because we're creating a range here. We have 100 pip range now. Damn, look at this. 30 minutes are pushing up. If you buy in 3637 here, move 300 pips, crazy. Let's see how this 15 minutes candle close. Otherwise, if there's no closure, it's just waiting time. Waiting game, waiting. I told you to wait, you don't wait. Question: price actions. What other complements do you do consider, or do you solely rely on price actions alone? Yeah, I always rely only on the price actions. How the candle close, how the candle move, directions. Right now, I would say, um, because we reject here on the 3636 area, which is the support area on the 4 hour and the daily time frame, right? As you can see, heavy rejections, heavy reactions. So once you break this structure, should be fine to move up, right? But I would say gold is unpredictable right now. Okay, anything can happen on gold. Anything can push. This gold can push up. The gold can melt down too. So yeah, in September for me, I would say it's really tough price actions, because though we have clean traffic going now, but it's not correcting the move. That's the problem, right? But yeah, I'm always relying on the strategy. If the strategy is not working right now, I need to stick with the strategy, bro. You don't need to chase another strategy, okay? Because right now, if you know that, oh, my strategy is not working right now, it's okay. Do some adjustment, or like watch the price move, why the price is moving there, why the price is reacting there. That's how you can learn. All right, so why you did not buy it? Why I did not buy? Because I'm not still on the chart, that's why I don't buy. All right, 7 minutes for candle to close. um, we move up already, okay, chat. Any close, man, this is the last shot that we have. If this candle close like this, and then the next candles open up, yep, now impulse entry, it's good, because we have a lot of overextend candle here. 1 hour is overextend, 30 minutes is overextend, so should be fine. Should be fine. 6 minutes and 45 seconds here. Should be fine. Mm. AKC is selling. Who's AKZ? I'm not gonna sell it right now. I'm gonna sell once the candle close bullish with small body. Probably I'm gonna sell their impulse sell. Yeah, because supply and demand here. Yeah. AKZ. Was that AKZ? Mm-hmm. Dun, 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 dun. Don't sell right now. We need to wait for candle to close. Damn, we're breaking the structure again. Maybe sweeping Asian high. Yeah, maybe. Asian high. Where's the Asian high? Oh, we sweep already Asian high here. Oh, this is the Asian high. So sweep repeats. Man, 30 minutes is overextend here. Looks gonna flip. ah, looks gonna flip. The 4 hour no top wick. Sweep the all time Asian high. If this candle close without top wick, man, I probably gonna look for sells now on the next 15 minutes candle, and then the stop should be fine above here. 35 pip stops. Right? We need to wait 2 minutes and 46 seconds here. Two minutes and this gonna be fine. Fine. No top wick, chat. No top wick. No top wick confirmation. Looks good. The 4 hour no top wick too. And you need to create a bottom wick for the 4 hour push. Because no top wick, no range to move up, and you need to create a bottom wick and flip if you want to move up. So that's the plan, okay, chat? 1 minute and 30 seconds, no top wick again. We might, okay? We might have. Mm-hmm. Look at the 5 here, man. The 5. Bam. Oh, we're reacting right now. Damn. Still have top wick. Re-break the high there. So much volume on buying here. Too many people are buying. Too many people are buying. Why are you buying? Who's buying gold right now, chat? Who is buying gold right now? Damn. Flip. And the 30, the 4, no top wick. Overextend everything here. Can you re-break the high again? We need to see re-break the high. Didn't create the stop wick. $3,650 somewhere. Oh, nice. 3,650 here. Oh, nice. Nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, 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 nice. Shout out to 30 viewers right now. Chat, make sure you like the stream, alright? Can I see 25 likes, please? Like the stream, everybody. We're re-breaking the high again on the 50. Nice. Can you re-break that? Can you re-break that? Yeah, if this candle re-break the high, I might set my sell stop. I need to see re-break the high again and then fail. Then re-break the low should be fine here to move. All right. Sell stop here on the re-break of the current candle low. So once you re-break this, should be fine to move. The candle are overextend here. We're gonna expect volume to come once this candle move. So sell stop should be fine on the re-break. Re-break on the current candle low. Sell stop for me, not execution sell. Sell stop. Sell stop should be good. Should be valid because of overextended candle. Once you re-break, that should be fine. It should be fine. It should be fine. Re-breaking the low should be good. I think it will take liquidity of 71.3093. I don't know. Let's see. We're gonna liquidate that. We're gonna liquidate that. So yeah, sell stop there, chat. Let's see if we're gonna be activated today. Probably stop should be up here. Re-break the highs, 36 or I would say 40 pip stops. Gonna make some room. Gonna make some room. Give me a second. Oh damn, man. Oh, holy. Damn, gold is crazy today, gang. Gold, what is this gold? Look at that. Can you look at that? I remove. I'm gonna remove sell stop. Sell stop doesn't make sense right now. Can you look at that? Oh, 7 minutes. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Topping resistance. That was how many pip range? Ooh, 165 pip range. Damn, gold. Holy smokes. Too many people are being clapped again. Gold is unpredictable right now. Crazy. Crazy, man. Seven one, 71.93. Okay, 71.93 right now. Topping the it's top already, right? Oh, 71.93. Yeah. So this is the structure on the 30 minutes. It's within the order block. Expecting sales soon. Hopefully, yeah, I wanna take sales. I wanna take sales. Hopefully we got some sales. We have a momentum right now, bullish momentum here. Daily are re-breaking the current candle high. Oh, it re-break already. Not yet. Oh, re-break that. Re-break, re-break. Re-break now. Damn. Okay, re-break there. Can you look at that? Re-break that. Ooh, re-break now. All right, re-break there. Damn, 4-hour candle. Damn, why pushing? Oh, they might correct the move. Correcting the move. Look at this 15 minutes. Look at this. Can you look at that? Overextend everything here. Overextend. Holy smokes. 3 minutes and 36 seconds. No top wick. We need no top wick closure. No top wick closure should be fine to move down. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. No top wick should be fine, chat. At least we get 50 pips, 45 pips, 15 pips, whatever pips. All right, 2 minutes. Let me lock in here. Let me lock in here. Let me think. Let me think. Let me think here, chat. It's gonna be interesting. No topic closure. Overextend candles. Let me think. Let me think here. Let me focus here. Let me focus. Damn, can you look at that 368 pip move? The 1 hour, man, extend it. 75 pip move on the 1 hour. 30 pip move. 76. 1 minute. 1 minute. No topic closure. All right, gang. Ooh. Chat. 47 seconds, chat. We want to take a trade. We want to take a trade right now. Drop it in the chat. We want to take a trade. If no one will take a trade, man. Let's go. Man, you guys are waiting, huh? We need to pops up here first. Pops up. Can you pops up first? Alright, no top wick. Move up, move up, move up, move up. Move up, move up, move up. Locked in here, gang, okay? Locked in here. Move up, move up, move up. Move up, move up, move up, move up. Move up. Alright, taking sell here right now, chat. Taking sell here right now. Re-break there. Oh, bam. Taking sell there, chat. Probably stops. I'm gonna keep on the wick here on the left. Probably only have 5 minutes structure there. No. This stop should be good. Gold. What do you want to do, gold? You re-break the lows, didn't push. Re-break the high there, chat. Ooh. Damn. Volume pushing up here. Crazy. If you're not in, man, I probably gonna take the sell on the re-break of the low, but I'm in there. So anything can happen now. 40 pip stops. It's okay for me to lose this trade. If the candle wants to move up, gonna move up. So yeah. But let's see, man. Let's see. We overextend everything. Now we need to price to move down heavy. Right, can you re-break the lows again and move down now? We need re-break the low. Re-break the low now. Re-break the low. All right, re-breaking the lows. Should be moved down here. Re-break the lows. Can you re-break the lows, gold? Gold, can you re-break the lows, gold? I'm not gonna hold this trade longer. I probably re-break the lows. Psst. Can we see some? Psst. Can see some? Psst. 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 Chat. Psst. Psst. We need to see some. Psst. And psst. Psst. Can we see some? Psst. Can we re-break the lows now and push a little bit further here, like 20 pips, 15 pips? It's good for me. Just re-break the low. Gold, you move a lot already, man. We need to see pullbacks here. If you don't like the trade, chat, you can go out here at break even, or if you want to take trades, take sell right now. If you want to join, but if not, it's okay. Gold, can we push even further, gold? Don't want to push. All right. 5 minutes about to close. Once you re-break the 5, you should melt here. Should melt now. 3, 2, 1. Psst. Don't want to melt. Who's on trade with me here, chat? Drop it in the chat. Who's on sales too? Who's on buys? Who's on sells? Let me know. I want to know. All right, we're moving. Can we push through, gang? Can we push through? Can we push through, gang? We need to see push. Can we push through? Who's on sales here, chat? Who's on sales? I'm with you, bro. Let's go. Yeah, sell gold right now, nge. Sell gold. Man, we're just like tripping here, chat. We're just tripping, huh? Oh, if this 15 candle close bearish, man, there's a high chance we're gonna continue down here. Because good setup, re-break the highs, and re-breaking the lows, closing bearish, man. I probably gonna hold the trade. If this 15 minutes candle close probably like this, I'm gonna move my stop here on the re-break of the high. Can we move now? Sell, win or lose, let's go, man. That's why I love you, man. I love you, chat. Just sell right now, man. So volume will calm down. Oh, 5 minutes doesn't want to push it down. Give me a second. Gold, what's your plan? Too many people are waiting. Oh, man, we're re-breaking the high again. Don't do this to us, man. Don't do this to us. 5, 6 minutes for candle to close. The 5 minutes are re-breaking the high again. That was crazy. Okay, probably gonna hit the stops today, gang. Again, hit the stop again, chat. We need to see volume right now. Powell, can you speak again? The same yesterday night. We need Powell today. We need Powell right now. Magnet. There's a magnet here. What? Where's the magnet? There's no magnet here. This one should find here. But reverse. Yeah, this one. This one. Yeah. This is okay. To the ground. Right? That's good. To the ground. That's to the ground, gang. That's gonna be. Yeah, that's nice. To the ground. That's why. All right, we're moving down now, chat. Sticky Man is holding the top of the range right now. Man, W Sticky Man. See, look at that. Too much power here. Power. You just need power here to push down here. Boom. Gang, we're just playing around here. All right, chat, we're moving down now. Okay, ready to manage your risks. We're closing below the range and yeah, we're moving down heavy. Can we see spike down right now? We need to see spike down. Spike down. Moving down, moving down. Sticky Man. Sticky Man, we need you right now. Chat, 3 minutes for the candle to close. It's gonna be good closure in the 15. So I probably gonna move my stop on the rebreak of the high there, okay? So yeah, let's see here. Sticky Man gonna save us today. Yeah, Sticky Man is plan. This is Sticky Man is us, you know. We take the plan, we took the plan, we planned the trade, we take the plan. So Sticky Man is gonna be nice, gonna give us volume, and this spaceship gonna push down even further here. Boom. Chat, if you don't like the trade, okay, you can go out of the trade here right now. If you don't like the trade, you can go out of the trade. Sticky man can hold. Sticky man. Save us today, Sticky man. We are in the losing streak. We are in the losing streak, Sticky man. Save us today. Too many people are watching me right now, so save me today, Sticky man. All right, 1 minute and 34 seconds here. Sticky man is still holding. Sticky man is still holding the trade. Sticky man, can you close bearish? A little bit big body there. Sticky man like this. Don't close bullish, Sticky man. We need bearish closures, Sticky man. Man. Sticky man still holding with the power. The power of volume. That's called power of volume, chat. Add more power. Oh. Sticky man, add more. The power. Sticky man, the power of volume. We need to see the power of volume right now. Sticky man. Sticky man, can we stick? Five seconds. No closure. Damn, Sticky man. You didn't close bearish. And Sticky man didn't close bearish, chat. Yeah, stop still there. The same 40 pip stop, 3674.838. Oh, the 5 is consolidating again. The 5 is consolidating. Sticky man doesn't want to push down. Sticky man. What was that? Damn, no volume. Finish. The volume is finished. All right, Sticky man. Do it for us right now. Sticky man. All right, re-breaking the lows again with the Sticky man here. Can we push? Once this candle re-break, you know what will happen. We need volume, Sticky man. Sticky man doesn't want to push. 12 minutes. Volume. There's no volume. Don't wanna push down. Man, this is tough. This is a little bit tough. The price always react on the this area 3671. All right. So, we re-breaking the lows again. Can we re-break the previous candle low and move down now? Sticky man is done now. Re-break the previous candle low, please. Re-break. Can we re-break now? Can we re-break now? Re-break now. Re-break now. In 3, 2, 1. And and once you see re-break the lows here, you will see move spike down. And 3, 2, 1. Sticky man. Right now, give it the volume, sticky man. It's hovering here on price. I don't know why it's hovering here. Let me see. Oh, 30 minutes. 1 hour. Re-break now. Re-break. We need to re-break that low. So should pops down heavy. Prepare to manage the risks, okay? Once we see re-break the previous candle low, we're gonna melt. All right, right there. Now, can we re-break again? There's no reactions. There's no reactions. Now we need to see a re-break again. Oh, damn. Reactions now. Oh, 5 minutes going up again. Crazy. Okay, 5 minutes. Re-break the lows. I want to see you re-break the lows. 5 minutes. Can we re-break the lows again? You guys still on the trade? You guys still on the trade or you guys out on the break even? Let me know. Drop it in the chat if you guys still on the trade. All right, still on the trade. Let's see here, gang. Let's see. We need volume right now. Still hovering here on price. Let's see. So if this 15 candle close bearish, I probably gonna move my stop here, okay? 30 pips probably stops, but we need to wait for candle to close. And we need volume. Oh, add position. You manage the risk. Okay, nice. So for me, I didn't manage my risk yet. I need to see at least 12, 15 pips here to manage to close partial. This is looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good. Let's see if Goldie gonna bless us today. We need bleeder here. We need bleeder. Gang, I'm in the break even. If you don't want the trade, you can go out of the trade, okay? Gold, what you wanna do? You re-break the lows, you don't push. What is that, Gold? Don't do this to us, Gold. Goldie doesn't want to push. 5 minutes is consolidating here. Really, really not good. Tang, tang. Bleeder now. Bleeder now, right now. Mm-hmm. Ta-da-da. Mm-mm-mm. Man, 2 minutes for candle to close. Holy gold. Gold doesn't want to push the 5 minutes ranging here. But anything can happen here. Anything can push down like this on the next early open. So now we're gonna expect a bottom wick on the early open. Once you create a bottom wick and they wanna push up again, we're out of the trade here or here. That's the idea. 15 doesn't want to push. Re-break the lows. So there is a high chance that we can move up here heavy on the next hourly candle. So manage your risk, gang. We need to manage our risk. Pre-NY volume incoming. Yeah, hopefully pre-NY, let's go. Yeah, because NY open is 3 p.m. Dubai time. So yeah, pre-NY is good. Pre-NY volume. Damn. The 15's trying to close bullish again. Holy. We have clean traffic here on price on the left. Once you re-broke this low, should move up heavy. This high should move up crazy. $40 for candle to close. No closure above. The 30 didn't close above. The 15 closed bearish. Damn, gold. I'm hungry now, gold. What do you want to do, gold? Once this candle re-break the high, man, should move up here. Clean traffic on the left. Oh, 15 minutes is consolidating. What time is the news today? 4:30 p.m. We might hover here around on price. All right, the 15 re-break the high. 4 hours bullish. Yes, 4 hours bullish. Wow, you need to grab bottom wick here. No bottom wick here. And our candle overextend already. 1 hour is overextend. Break above the range. Break structure. In the bottom wick to move up. 30 minutes are overextend. As you can see, body pushing. And let's see. No volume now. Volume is decreasing. Nine minutes for candle to close. One minute is creating structure to move up. Yeah, 5 minutes, look at that. Didn't push through. Crazy. All right. 1 minute volume. Damn. Look at 1 minute candle here. Holy smokes. What is this 1 minute candle? Okay, retesting again. Volume. We have volume now, chat. We have volume now. Damn, I'm hungry, bro. Eight minutes for candle to close again. We stuck in the trade now. Crazy. We stuck in a range. All right, chat. Prepare for closure. Okay, push now. Push. 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 Can you push? Can you push? Right now. Can we push right now? Re-break the lows again. See move. Re-broke the lows, man. We see move. All right, gang. Gonna close half of the position here at 10 pips. And yeah, let it run. I close hop at 10. Let it run here towards to the downside. And I'm gonna move my stops to break even here right now. We have a runner. Damn, bro. That's takes time, huh? Let's see if we're gonna move down even further today. That's take time. It's okay. Ooh, ooh, wow. Volume. Damn, push, push, push. Push it, man. Push it. Push it. Spam some W's in the chat. To see 1K here. 1K. No, it's not pushing. It's not pushing. W, man. W. Right, let me close here. Oh, here. All right, gang. W, man. Yeah, gutom na ako eh. I'm just pushing down. Don't wanna push down. Gold. What's your TP right there? Oh, TP is probably here. TP, you can TP here. 3665. All right, we're pushing down again. All right, we're pushing down again. Can I see 1K here? Can I see 1K? They're dropping some W's already in the chat. We are winning here, gang. Can I see 1K here? 1K. Ooh. I'm in the break even chat, okay? So my stop is at break even. Let's see if we're gonna move down. I wanna see this re-break the lows again. And yeah. W, okay, bye. W, everybody, W. Oh. How much you got here, chat? How much you got? Let me know how much you got here. How many pips you got, chat? How many pips? Second W. Wow, nice. Congrats, bro. Congrats. Still holding, okay. Still holding. W gang, W. Oh, mentor flag is there. W mentor W. All right, we're moving down again. We're moving down. Can I see 1K here now? Too many winners again here, gang. Too many winners. Right, re-break the lows. Can you re-break the lows? Re-break. Re-break. Come on. Re-broke. Re-broke it. Re-broke it. Re-broke 1K. Re-broke it. One more pip. All right there. W's in the chat. W is in the chat. 25 pips for me. 25's in the chat. Oh, leave email down now. Good. 40 pips for John. Wow. 40 pips for John. Yum, W chat, W. Oh, I'm really hungry right now. Oh, 1.2%. Yeah. Made 1.2% today. That would nice. That would be nice. What's that? 15 minutes, right? 15 minutes. Weekend resistance. Sell. Go London. What time we take a trade? This one around 1:30 p.m. 1:30 p.m. A little bit late, but it's okay. 2025. Okay. Congrats, everybody. So right now, I'm going to call it the stream. Thank you guys for hopping to the live stream. If you're still holding the trade, you guys are having 44 pips right now. If you guys took the trades up here, you guys have 60 pips. So yeah, congrats, everybody. And I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. So yeah, man. Love and wisdom to you all, chat. And see you tomorrow. Peace and love. W's in the chat. W's all the way out. I'm out. Peace.
Shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince do. If not for the pledge, at least for the
the principal. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible.